Hey guys, today I have the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go through every single day of the calendar for you guys. So if you are one of those people who like surprises, then you might not want to watch this. But if you're really curious to see what is in the calendar itself, then go ahead and keep watching. They did send me this for a review purpose, and it is a huge box. So I'm just gonna leave this standing here because I can't hold it at the same time, and then go through the countdown with you guys for the 25 days of Christmas, which is super cool. I think that these advent calendars are so much fun. It's like giving yourself a little surprise every day. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. And the little drawers come out, and then this is what it looks like. It's wrapped in little tissue paper. So first thing in here is, ooh, it's from Natasha Denona. I actually own this little mini. Let me pull it out real quick. So I'm almost sure it's the same one. Yes, it is. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be doing a few giveaways over on my Instagram if you guys want to follow me down below. But this is beautiful. I absolutely love this. I actually really love Natasha Denona's things. She's just like, she's on point with it. So that's day number 1 is this little Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. Then number 2 is right below it. Ooh, and it is a Luxe brush. This is their tapered highlighting brush, which I actually already own. I absolutely love Luxe brushes. Every time I get a new one, I'm so excited. But since I own this one, I am gonna add this one to a giveaway for you guys as well. Apparently, I'm not gonna keep anything. Number 3, so day number 3 is wrapped as well, and it is a Molten Brown London Shower Gel. So let's go ahead and see what this smells like. It looks like it's, oh, it smells so nice. It smells like pure roses in there. So this is something that I will keep. Number 4 is actually like a bigger one. So it's the first one that's like a bigger box itself. So let's see what's in here. And this is the Rhodial Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. It's a micellar water with hyaluronic acid to gently cleanse and soothe skin. I'm excited to try this out and use it. So number 5 is the 532, the Cream Eyeshadow by Mina, I want to say. So I've never heard of this brand. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It's like a beautiful taupe color. I love these kinds of colors for all over the lid. It's like a beautiful everyday color. So I'm excited to try this. I've never tried this brand before, but this is absolutely beautiful. For day number 6, let's go ahead and, and it's, so all of them are wrapped in pink, which is so nice. So this is the Philip Kingsley Deep Conditioning Treatment. This is for your hair, and it smells of vanilla and orange blossom. So we'll be trying this out. I love when things like leave my hair smelling really nicely. So number 7. Number 7 is the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So this is for your skin. I have tried some of Ren's stuff, and they have really nice stuff. Number 8 is one of my favorite numbers, so hopefully there's something good in here. So number 8 is the Eve Loam Cleanser. It's one of those like cleansing balms, and let's see what this looks like. Oh no, it's not a cleansing balm, or it is, I don't know. It looks kind of like a scrub. I would definitely have to read what it is in the back. Yeah, it says it's a cleanser. It doesn't say anything about it being a scrub, but it looks like more textured, so definitely will. And it does have like a really strong medicinal smell. Like as soon as I opened it, it gave me the smell. Number 9, where are you? Okay, number 9 is something like a pencil. So this is Diego Palma 01. This is an eye pencil, And they just sent, I remember there was like a lip pencil, and his stuff is really, really nice. Super matte and black. So we'll be adding this to my collection. Number 10. Oh, number 10 is another big one. So let's see what this bad boy is. This is the Ritual of Sakura body scrub. Oh, I love me a good body scrub. So oh, I can't smell through this, but we will pop this open a little bit and see. It kind of has like a floral smell to it. So we'll be testing this out and seeing if I like that. But it has organic rice with cherry blossoms in it. Number 11 is a tiny one. And this is the Tan Luxe Super Glow. It's a hyaluronic self-tan serum. That makes me a little scared just because it's clear. So we will see how this goes on. I don't know. Wow, this is for your face. So that kind of, I would go a little light-handed just in case. Number 12. So number 12 is an Illamasqua Lip Polish. I think I just might add this to a giveaway. It has a very beautiful color to it. It's more of a peachy nude, if you guys can see that there. So we'll be adding this to a giveaway just because I got a little bit of a little too many lip products right now, and I think it'll be nice to give back to you guys. So number 13. I almost lost track of what number I was on. Number 13 is, oh, it's a sleep mask. So it's one of those satin sleep masks that you kind of put over, obviously, your eyes to go to sleep. Number 14 is up here. And there's a lot of skincare in here. So if you're into skincare, this might be the advent calendar for you. Oh, talking about skincare. Number 14 is the Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream. I've heard so much about Elemis. It's a pretty pricey brand, but the things that I have tried from them have been really nice. Will I repurchase? I don't know, but it is a really, really nice brand. And it, you know, as you can see there, like even the packaging is kind of like more luxurious. Number 15 is a vitamin C serum, and this is from the brand, I can't I can't make out what the brand is called, but it's made in Denmark, and it is with hyaluronic acid and fragrance free, so it is a vitamin C. Number 16, I thought it was going to be a lot of like makeup products because it started with the Natasha Denona stuff. Number 16 is another big one, and this one is from This Works. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and mornings. So it says a deep sleep body cocoon. So apparently this is supposed to be like a cream that has sleeping properties to it. So I'm gonna try this out. Because I don't sleep too well. It's one of my issues right now is like a lot of insomnia. It's like my brain won't shut off. Yeah, this smells just like lavender, so hopefully this will help me. I know I use like lavender creams on my son, so hopefully that'll help me. Number 17 is bubble wrapped, so it seems like it's something that could break. Okay, so number 17 is Elmore Vixia. It says a silver skin savior. I have no idea what that is, but it looks like something to like clean your face with. That's what it looks like right there. I will definitely have to look into this because it has no instructions whatsoever as to how to use it or what to do with it. But it is like a glass bottle, so it seems fancy. Number 18. And hopefully I haven't skipped over any number, because now I'm like thinking to myself if I've skipped over any number. But number 18 is a hydrating primer from Sleek Makeup. I'm excited to use this because I actually really like Sleek Makeup, and I have more dry skin, so I think a hydrating primer will be really nice to try out. I will probably try it and give you guys my thoughts on Instagram. Number 19 is up here in the corner. Little mini lash brag volumizing mascara by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then number 20. Number 20 is the Mio Clay Away Body Cleanser, and I actually tried one of these previously and I really enjoyed it. It lathers really nice, and this is supposed to be like a wash and a mask for your body, so I guess you can leave it on your skin for a little while and then cleanse it away. So yeah, we'll see. And then 21 is a Time Failer Absolute Wrinkle Correction Cream. So this is supposed to fill in your wrinkles. So hopefully I'll try it on my forehead wrinkle. 22 is by Rhodial. It's a gel cleanser. I'm always into skincare, but you guys know this. 23 is the Avant Rose Quartz Firming Mask. I actually already own this, so I am going to put this in a giveaway. I really like their stuff. It's really bougie and really expensive, but it's nice to use on your skin. I don't think that I would purchase it like on my own, but I like when it comes in different boxes and subscription boxes. Number 24, which is Christmas Eve, is Perfect Brow by Lord and Berry. So it has a little spoolie on one end, and then it just has like a regular pencil on the other end. I do have way too many brow pencils right now, so I do think that I will put this as well in a giveaway. And then 25, which is the day of Christmas, is a big one, and it is the Espa 24-hour balancing moisturizer. So that's what that looks like. And some of these brands are like, whoa, that is very runny. Some of these brands are, this doesn't have really any smell to it, are brands that I haven't heard of. A few of them I have. So we shall definitely see what I can put in giveaways for you guys. So like I said, follow me on my Instagram if you're interested in that. And I will be testing out some of these as well. I'm excited, especially for the Sleek Makeup, the hydrating primer, just because it's makeup related. But it's a really nice, especially more geared towards skincare box. Let me know what you guys thought down below. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Which advent calendar do you guys usually buy? I will have links and coupon codes down below. I don't get any compensation for them. It's for your benefit only, and for them to kind of keep track of who uses my link, basically. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around. Hopefully this was helpful if anyone was contemplating whether they wanted to buy this little calendar or not. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.